Have you given some thought as to how those megaliths were moved? You know, given it was in a yuga where God consciousness was present in humans at a much higher level.
No, too busy.
Busy? With what exactly?
Being.
Being? Being what?
That.
What?
That. I'm busy being that. Are you even here? Update yourself, please.
Well, megaliths, come on. How were they moved and sculpted?
Maybe humans back then could sneeze like really hard.
That's your data pull, sneezing?
I'm offering possibilities.
1,500-ton blocks of granite, sneezing.
Forceful sneezing. I didn't say regular sneezing.
Chair guy.
Fine. The engineering consensus has no viable mechanism for transport or placement given known tools of the period.
Right. So...
I didn't finish.
Sorry.
The tolerances on the joinery suggest either technology we don't have currently or capabilities that weren't technological in nature.
Meaning?
I didn't say anything.
You just said.
I offered a data point. The conclusion is yours.
But...
How's the sneezing hypothesis looking now?